I'll show you how I make this bra cup. I'm gonna be making a dress, so this is the bra cup for the dress. And then this is the yarn that I'm using. So yeah, so let's get started. So you're gonna get your yarn and make a slip knot. You're gonna chain 3. So 1, 2, 3. In the second chain, make a double crochet. And double crochet. Then chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Turn. And then the first stitch, you're always going to put 2 stitches, so increase in the first stitch and into the last stitch. So the last stitch gets 2 stitches. Chain 3. So really, you're just going to keep on doing this until you get the full bra cup. So what you're going to do is take your bust, divide that by 4, and that's how you get what you need for your bra cup. I'm a 36, so to divide that by 4 is 9, so I went to 9 inches. So whatever yours is, that's how long you're going to make it. And then in the first and last stitch, always going to get an increase. So that's how you make the bra cup. Okay, so that's this. What you do, make sure you're on track. Yep. So let's keep going.